So this will probably be one of the shortest videos I ever make. I'm just going to go right into showing you exactly how to file for your EIN number on IRS.gov. The easiest way to do it is just to go to Google and type in file for EIN number, and you'll see a link here for IRS.gov. You can click there, and then it'll tell you what you need to apply. This is obviously after you've filed for your LLC. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. All right, and so essentially, in order to file for your EIN number within the United States, you do need a social security number or an ITIN, or you can use another EIN number. This is rare, so just be prepared to use your social security number or a social security number of someone that is a part of your LLC. You're limited to one EIN number per day per social security number, so don't go try to file 5 EIN numbers in one day using your social security. And then just make sure you read through this just to get a better understanding of what it is you're signing up for, and then go ahead and click apply online now. Just read the quick notice. Okay, begin application. So I won't actually fill the application out, but I'll just show you what it looks like. So we'll begin the application. If you watched the previous video on how to file an LLC, or if you have filed an LLC already, then I would go ahead and obviously select LLC. A sole proprietor is where anyone can pretty much just come in and file for an EIN number. You don't really have the same protection as you would as an LLC or as a corporation or as a partnership. I'll get into these other types of entities that you can file for in a later video, but just for the purpose of this video, we will stick with LLCs. So I'll go ahead and continue. And again, it'll explain here what an LLC is. So go ahead and continue. How many members of your LLC? I'll just go ahead and just show you guys what everything looks like so you know what you're getting into. This is a 1-member LLC in the state of Georgia. All right. Some more information here about how you file for taxes and things like that. Why am I requesting an EIN number? I started a new business. You can say for banking purposes. That's really why a lot of people are prompted to file for an EIN number, because they want to open a bank account using their new LLC. But I started a new business. I'll go ahead and fill out all of my information. I am one of the owners of the LLC. All right, and now you will go ahead and fill in your address. I would put the address of whatever you use filing for your LLC. That's where it mentions where is your LLC physically located. So whatever you put on your LLC documents is what you'll enter in this spot. So I'll go ahead and fill this information out. All right, so next is where you'll enter the details of your LLC. So this is where those articles of organization that I mentioned, whether you filed through your state, whether you filed on LegalZoom, you will receive an articles of organization, and there will be a document number that you'll insert here. DBA, you don't really have to worry about that unless you filed for an LLC and now you filed for a DBA, so you can ignore that part. Where is the LLC located? Because I use the information of my personal LLC, it's populated as this, but make sure that the county is correct and the state is correct. And then when did you start your LLC? So this is going to match the date that's on your articles of organization. All right, so now we have details. Again, if you're not sure, just answer no. These should all be no, by the way, just so you know. So highway or motor vehicle with a tax gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more. No, 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 no. Basically, they just want to make sure you're not doing anything that would require special permission. All right, and so here they want to know, what does your organization do? Just find the one that makes the most sense for what you are doing. And I think in this example, I will just use wholesale. Try to get as accurate as possible. That's what really matters. Type of goods sold, I'll just say clothing. Continue. So you can choose to receive your EIN online or by mail. I usually do online, so you can download it immediately and then take it to the bank if you're trying to open an account. But if you like old school, you can go ahead and receive the letter by mail, and it will be shipped to whatever address that you entered here. So I'm going to stop here because if I click continue, I will have just filed for an EIN number on an articles of organization number that doesn't exist. So I don't want to mess with the IRS. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below and let me know. If this video was helpful,